Morning. Hate. Huh? Hat day? Oh, yeah. Well, it just dropped off my bang bus to get its paint restored. So I had to look decent when I went out. Otherwise, I'm just sporting the greasy hat hair here. And nobody wants that. I gotta look like a somewhat of a civil member of society. JPow speaks at 2:30 today. I gotta take a freaking shower. All right, let's see what we got here, boys. It's really a terrible paint. Have you had much have you used a sprinter before? But you're right. The paint is ass. I would venture to say most Mercedes with black paint is ass. Mine's got black paint. It's the clear coat. The clear coat completely oxidized. And pretty quickly, too. LMND, let's take a look. So someone have to break down this hood. Why it's down so much. The earnings didn't seem as bad as the move is. So there's probably something I'm missing. You see has paint. That's true. Am I not in Discord? I thought I was. There we go. All right. Morning. Thank you, stock. LMND. Let's take a look. I like that it's regained the 200-day moving average. Kind of batting around the 100 and the 200 right now. Looks like 75 is your pivot. That's all I got. Not the. I mean, it's a small uptrend, but is this a bounce before it rolls back over? I don't know. This is kind of ugly here, but the whole stock market looks like that. XTLB. So XTLB is buying a company, and the stock goes up. Sign agreement to be acquired by Wait, what? I read that wrong. Okay. How? Okay. So this headline says XTL Biopharmaceuticals signs agreement to acquire Saiga Bio. And then this headline says XTLA Biopharmaceutical shares are trading higher after the company announced it's signed an agreement to be acquired by Saiga Bio. So this headline says they're acquiring somebody. This headline says they're being acquired. What the hell is it? BE. Second. What a monster move. What's the headline there? I have zero news on it. It's weird. Usually this populates with something. Good God, what a damn right. Oh, 480. BE had earnings. So what's the freaking headline?
Been a while, SJ. Hope you're crushing this market.
What's up, Moog? And I'm not. Appreciate it though. Good to see you, my man. WDC. What's it doing? Holy hell. Seagate. Car getting a bounce. What was the deal with that? Is this part of the... Why do I not have headline? There it is. Huh. Anyway, I'm going to take my 5-minute break. Be back for the open. I'm going to watch this AKAN from yesterday. All right.
Market is open.
Nice start. Is car halted up? Wow. Hell. BBBY, a little red to green. Yeah, BE's juiced. BE with a W, basic. Not yet. Let this candle close, and then you got that basically 289 level. Tail juicing. Jeez. AKAM blown out the bottom. That's a shame. Yeah, BE's a little too spready for me, unfortunately. So regain this 1934 from pre-market. Car back open. Broke the $4 spread. What is that? What the hell? Okay. As much as I want to trade car, I just can't. PAPY or PAPL, I mean. Very nice daily. Good call on that one. Very nice daily. Okay. It's a W if it wants it. No. See, this is the stuff that really just, whoa. I was gonna say irks me.
Partial
Oh,
execution.
jeez. See if it holds a diagonal. Okay. This has got to hold 21. I was gonna say, this is what irks me about this thing is there was a 60-cent spread hit in a market order for 500 shares, get filled in the ask. It's like never, ever am I gonna get filled in the middle. Whereas on the bigger brokers, you will get filled in the middle occasionally, not guaranteed, but occasionally. More times than not, you're not gonna get absolutely just dick throttled onto the ask. All right, you got another W building here. It's going to be 2160. That brings you to high A, which also brings you to this, like double domino here. Bam, bam, bam. Hopefully this 21 holds. 2160. Currently over. It's basically 2150 break. Damn it. That was it. It was until watching you on this platform. I didn't even realize there was a thing really until trading on this platform and finding out why. Like I heard of price improvement and I just thought it was, oh, you'll get like 0.00 or like a penny, you know, when I didn't realize how important it actually was. '22's trying to hold here. I've been testing out interactive virus above the ask. Yeah, it's a little tougher on the simulated tradings. Fidelity supposedly has the best price improvement. Bank of Canada rate decision unchanged. Whoa, is that Sky Q I just saw? Hmm. Yeah, I want to. If someone reminds me, or Million Bridge. If someone reminds me today, I'll call Interactive Brokers and be like, "What's the deal with Rule 144?" It sounds like something out of Star Wars. Order 66. You know, it's just I don't know. PAPL coming back up. APL 166. Good morning. Okay. Maybe we'll get a break here. I gave 400 my day. Hey, at least you're green, brother. At least you're freaking green. $62. A 5-minute with it. Come on. Do it for daddy. Get over 66. Hey. IMSR safety report is out. No idea what this is doing here. Oh, terrible film.
Partial execution.
XTLB trying to go for VWAP again. Hex get okay. It's just starting to get up there for some reason. BBBY high day. Nice. X no. XTLB. Yeah, I don't really want to trade this. I just love how the headlines are. Signs agreement to acquire Saya Pharma. Signs agreement to be acquired by Sig. What are you doing here? Is that from the movie? Fool me once, Bobby. Shame on me. Fool me twice. Not gonna fool me again. I remember that. That's funny. PAPL, nice. George Bush quote. Is it really? Oh my gosh. This NVIDIA here was a low and go on NVIDIA. RDAC. Is this quoting 944? What the? Was it a? Is this a joke or is this like?
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably in Tennessee, that says, fool me once, shame on you.
Fool me once, shame on you, huh?
If fool me, we can't get fooled again.
It's not how that goes. That's cool. That's funny. Holy hell, what a gap. That's picture perfect brain fart there. So there's no reason for this thing to be moving, but here we are. Another $1.60 gap up. Car 5 minute maybe? Anyone's got the balls for it? BBBY pushing for 5. Dude, this is wild. BBBY. Okay, swings on which one you talking about, Luke? RDAC? I can't take. I'm really not trying to take high beta plays like that. I mean, this account size is still really small. Like we're at 32,000 right now. Like I'm not trying to blow it up here. We're stringing some days together that are green. This is like, knock on wood, this will be 4 days in a row that we've been green, going back to 4 vacation time. I'm really not trying to dick it up with something crazy, even though it would be good beneficial, maybe, to the account. Can also be very detrimental. When you have a small account and you're building it out, and I've done this countless times now, you're really trying to take quality trades, stack, get those base hits. There's a W here. This is 402. trading with a few 100K. What happened? It's all over in an E-Trade. I literally have like $200,000 just sitting over there right now. There it is, little W there. Should have done better. I'd be out. Oh, there it goes. Not sitting, working. Well, basically sitting. Turned 30K into 250. Yep, I did. That was a fun year last year. Sell some rails. I don't really want to. I don't really want to. Things are too volatile right now. And shut up. I was asked a question. Cheese, suck a dick. He wanted to know where the money was. I told him. This freaking guy. Jesus. Someone has to explain to me this Robin Hood. It didn't. What am I missing? Besides that it's overvalued, the fundies are not the greatest. You did above? All right, let's see what Cheese said above. All right. You know a hat won't hide it. Huge day today. It's BS. It's on 100 million cost to do Trump accounts. Is that it? So the 100 million to do Trump accounts is what they claim was the $100 million hit?
Man,
How does it cost $100 million to open up Trump accounts? What kind of god-awful system are they working over there? It's BS. That's what I'm saying, Looney. Waste, fraud, and BS. Well, in this case, it's their own waste that they're recognizing. And they get reimbursed. Client's paperwork plus campaign contributions. No, that ain't gonna be a line item. This is wild. This feels like to me the BS that goes on when everybody in the room sees a nice catalyst coming for a company, yet the big boys need to push it down. They need to push it down now. We got to get this thing cheap, everybody out so we can load up, and then the catalyst takes it off. Like this happens so often with buyout rumors that are actually true buyout rumors. Remember the Twitter deal when Twitter got bought out? It was like every other day, there's no buyout. Yes, there is. No, there's not. No buyout. And the stock just did this constantly. When there clearly was one coming. Robinhood, 5.5 million accounts made. 100 million it costs. 550. Yeah, that doesn't jive. Something doesn't sound right. I think he's being interviewed, if I'm not mistaken, on Stock Twits today. Maybe we can like somehow get a question in. See about this. How does it cost you $500,000 to open a $3,000 account? Kind of bullshit are you running over there? Where was this? Where did I see that he was going to be on for? EDSA. That was a really nice setup. Hope somebody nailed that one. Damn. Really nice. EDSA. Oh, God, Nene. You know what, Nene? Put yourself right in your taint, okay? Sick of that shit. I've been sitting here fingering my butthole for the past 4 hours and nothing. Damn. Hood low and go. I just don't understand this hood earnings, man. EDSA 1 minute cock. BBY still chooching. UBXG. Trying to halt up. Oh, halt move. It was a double miss, but not like I don't think it was that big of a miss to warrant a 12% move. Now, maybe so since it was so overvalued. It was pretty expensive. I was looking at it last night. Let me see what these numbers are now. Not as bad as it was, obviously, but just looking at these two, this is Robinhood and Webull just going against a Ford PE is now 28. It was in the 30s yesterday. Webull's is 21 ish. Cash per share. Yeah. I don't know. Is it a good time to short Tesla? The daily chart says a short looks like it could happen, but today's a bit of a wild card day with JPow talking. I think it's assumed that interest rates are going to stay the same. Force votes to advance. Market going to pop on that or no? AIXI. So what I don't like is this high broke this and it sold off. So a lot of times, doesn't mean it will happen this time, but a lot of times you'll get another crack and it won't run. RDAC. Red or green? Holy shit, dude. Major ER. Let's take a look in Discord, see what we got. For those that aren't aware, QFI posts a lot of the earnings in the alert tab of Discord. What we got? We got. Let me do this so you can actually see it. Wow. Okay. Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet. What the hell? Qualcomm. Jeez. All right. So, it's amazing how much I missed. I'm aware of market. Listen, I look at 1 minute cocks on companies that exist in an apartment building that's been abandoned for a decade in Midland, China. You think I'm paying attention to the overall events in the market? Do you think any of this is consequential to my trading style? Clip it. One of the best descriptions of shit stocks ever. It's true though. Cheese, how about this, Cheese? How often does your first post ever make sense to a normal human being? Let's start there. UCAR. Do we have a daily cock on UCAR? What is that? 203? I get one, boys. Blah, blah, blah. Whoa, who said that? Bull case for Joby hitting 70. AIXI going for it again. High day, nice. For me, on AIXI, if you start breaking this 140 and then even 160, you got my attention. You got my attention, bud. So another swing trade to kind of be aware of is the IPO of SpaceX. I just was reminded about this. And there's two stocks that do well with because they own part of SpaceX. It's DXYZ, but there's another one that moves really good. And I can't, on the tip of my tongue, I can't remember the ticker. That SATS, is that it? Wow. Jeez. BCX. It's not the one I was thinking of. It might have been Orbs. No, I don't think so. Orbs is crypto related, right? Sam Altman related. They did a deal for tech. You know, okay. So maybe I think it is maybe Sats that I'm thinking of. So those two, if and whenever we get a date, it's on like Donkey Kong. RDAC. It's finally gonna halt down. Oh, there it goes. Gook. That daily looks juicy on Google. Holy moly. Let's take a look at internals. Mm-hmm. INTC's just juiced. BE starting to move a bit here too. That's our char potato. That's a SPAC, is it not? BE maybe setting up for something. RDAC 915. Whew. We bouncing off VWAP. Yesterday, the 618 held on these. Damn, that's VWAP. Let's look for a bounce there. Email? What you sending me, Soils? More feet pics? Oh my gosh. Every time I open Outlook, it's like, add account, add account. It's like, I've done this 40 times now, Microsoft. Figure your shit out. UCAR, moving up. Watch that daily level. Car back up. Access denied. What the hell is that shit? Wait, what? I really hate Outlook. Oh, thank you so much. All right, well, so it looks like it's going to take an eternity for it to load up. Just remember INTC. You mean the inferior product? It's just juiced by the government. Yeah, I remember that one. So annoying. Green day. Yeah, we're green right now. Actually, I haven't made a red trade yet. Just sick of your shit, cheese. What was that? SGHC? SHGC? SHGC? The hum? Oh, Green Day. Yeah. This is what I'm listening to. I don't know why it's in my head. Probably haven't heard this song in forever.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up.
Yeah, I got a position on board right now. It's just a technical difference. A little bit of a pivot spot. All right, that's enough of that. I mean, we should just be playing Intel right now. Jeez. This thing is insane. Damn, these are shit. BE 5-minute maybe. Here is 281.31. Spreads are atrocious.
Coming up at 10:30, crude, a build of 300,000 expected. Gasoline, a draw of 2.1 million. Distillate, a draw of 2.2 million. Coming up in just a couple of minutes now at 10:30.
There's a nice wedge forming on XTLB, but still don't like it.
AMZN, Amazon pumping to the highs now, 265.31, up more than 2%. Alpha Michael Zulu November. AMZN.
Both dollar spread, and I get filled on the ass. Like that's just criminal. Bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. Freaking lost everything. This is gonna cuck here. Test lower Bollinger Band. We're cooked. Boulevard of bullshit. There it is. Told you. Freaking cooked. All right. Now juice it. Now that you've done this and got this out of your system, freaking juice it.
member is taking a peek at your crude oil
Is
data.
that a 5-minute
Expected
cock?
a build
And
of
I'm not aware of that?
300,000
Crude, a draw of 6.234
Oh
million.
shit! So
coming
this
in with
5
a draw
expected
of
gasoline.
draw of
6.075
million on
million
crude
versus a
oil.
draw of 2.1 million expected.
Once again, a draw
And
of
distillates a draw of 4.494
that's
6.23
kind of
million
juice oil,
on
isn't it?
crude oil.
million expected.
Can I get a little luck here?
Crude now getting another pop here near the highs.
Please, I beg you. Oh. One more round of bullshit. Break the 282 and say nothing. And then just juice me to high day. Oh, somehow I broke it. And now I'm cooked. Oh, we're about to lose everything. GG, boys. Did that break? No, it didn't break. Stupid shit. It didn't break that. Nice. Yeah, it did break that. Damn it. Go ahead. Get another cuck out of your system. Go ahead. Yep, there it is. 282 is still the level. This Mac T needs a flip in a hurry.
SBUX Starbucks, new highs up 8.25% now. Sandy Bravo Uniform X-ray.
Come on. Markets are juicing. Juice, BE. Juice it. D1. Oh, absolute horrible entry I have. UCAR getting closer to that daily level. This is 78.40. Oh, we're about to break it. Intel. What the hell, bro? There it is. I'm in a cuck. Can I get just one more bounce? One more bounce off low range bowling band. Just do it for daddy. I regret this. Nope. Oh, GG, boys. We're cooked. Yep.
Partial
We're cooked.
execution.
All right. I can reverse shit. I am the king of reversal. Man. What's up, cousin? Gosh. JPL. AIXI. It's grinding. I wouldn't say there's a squeeze. A little price compression here, maybe, but it's grinding. Again, I gotta respect my levels. Something like that. So I should give him a 250 hold. Ardak halting up. I don't even know if I could trade this. I don't even know if it's worth looking at. Let's see. Oh, I can. Shocker. PAPL. Trying to break range. What is that? 68. Nine.
BRLS, Borealis Foods, moving here. On some volume coming in now, small volume.
Huh?
No ticker J Frog FROG Foxtrot Romeo Oscar Golf. Note that Banyan Hill is out with a long ID for FROG. Says AI economy is here. Buy this stock for 150% gain. FROG seeing a bump in activity on this long idea.
To 10. Oh, shit! Little late on that one. Little really late. I wanted the W. I wanted 22, and I got filled 22.27. Not as bad as I thought it was, but it's still not where I wanted. It's 27 cents over where I wanted. Can we not? Can we not today? Wow. Wow. Oh, we're cooked.
Partial execution.
Awesome. Awesome. Currently down 850 off of 2 trades. 2 trades completely dicked my day. It's the Tampa Bay hat. Might be. Might have to freaking burn this thing. Intel 5-minute. 7 cents red. What are you talking about, cheese? I get filled 27 cents over the spot I wanted to. And then it just cratered. You know, what happens when I take a trade? Here, I thought I was doing okay for a while. No, cock and drop 5 minute. Gotta love it. Sky Q kind of up next to some market levels. It's worth it for the fills. I'm seriously probably gonna take another shot at DOS. I just have to muster up the mental strength again to start over on another new platform, because the first time was real fun. I know, Nick. I know. It's such a mental game, man. It took forever just to get this. The thing I don't like about
Senior Pentagon officials said U.S. has spent $25 billion on the Iran war so far.
Just pay for the freaking thing and not have to worry about the free trial. You use DOS, Nick?
Pershing Square shares indicated to open between $42.50 and $47.50, priced at $50.
Oh, I wouldn't. I'm not using TOS. I promise you I'm not using TOS. I will use DOS, but I will not be using TOS. I can't stand that. I cannot stand that platform.
JPCR Golf Papa Charlie Romeo short report from
They're pretty good.
JCap Research for Structure Therapeutics is out. Golf Papa Charlie Romeo.
There's nothing wrong with Trade Zero, the platform.
Selling off for Structure Therapeutics on this short report.
It's a short report on this.
Calls it a quote Chinese GLP-1 wannabe.
Chinese GLP-1 wannabe.
Further commentary from JCap Research. GPCR is spending heavily to race in an oral obesity drug, but we believe has little hope of catching up to the majors.
There's nothing wrong with the platform. It's the fact that it's not attached to a big bank, basically. There's no price improvement. You can play with your routing. I can't, so the only route I have access to right now is Smart Route. If I want to update my routes, I can do that. I just have to fill out a form or whatever. But again, it's not going to help my price improvement. It's just yep. Feature really unusable to the point you can't go back. Oh no, E-Trade is completely unusable. Completely. No joke. Completely unusable. Ross used Lightspeed. But again, Ross only trades a stock that is juicing. And a lot of people are also trading. What you doing, bull? It's gonna be your baller. Jump caller.
POUG plug power, the May 8 $4 calls trading and Papa Lima uniform golf.
That's true, Captain Breeder fans.
TYGO shares moving here being mentioned as a Zax under $10 pick. Tango Yankee Golf Oscar. Share is getting a pop here on that mention.
Plug. Yeah, that kind of blows me away that it's moving like it is. How are the shorts with DOS? I have no idea. I mean, it would be the shorts that you get with TOS. DOS is just a skin. Think of it like a skin. So say you like a brokerage firm, but you don't like their platform. You can slap their skin on top of that platform. It works with different brokers. The fees, I think it's like $150 a month, right? All right, we broke $2 on new car. 203 is the level. When I go back, not in its current state, no. E-Trade is unusable. TOS is usable. I would just hate every minute of it. I couldn't even use E-Trade. All right. 1 penny. Can I get a 1 penny? BE doing a 5-minute cuck right now. Oh, gosh. No dice on that. This is gearing up. Okay, I'm gonna drop this. This is going nowhere. It's interesting, Neon. I didn't know that. Wow, car with the big pop. Still at 175 level.
More highs on Intel, 92.83 now on INTC.
Wow. Did BE just do a 5-minute cock? Didn't go? Wow. So this is a cuck, go cuck. I bet you this bounces, though. Bet you this bounces. The VWAP has shown strength. XTLB. I don't understand XTLB because the headlines are like 0 cents to me. One says they're being bought out, one says they're buying the other company. So I don't know what it is. Some kind of docking special here. But it's trying to grind. I'll see. Nick got it. SKY. What the hell? SKYQ back to the highs. Let's check that out. That looks nice over 4820. 4825. Freaking do it. Watch it do it and nothing happens, and I'm gonna be pissed.
UBER and EXPE, Uber partners with Expedia for hotel bookings and Uber app. That's Uniform Bravo Echo Romeo and Echo X-Ray Papa.
Hotel bookings and Uber app, huh? And it sells off. I just don't get this stuff. This stuff sometimes it's just 0 cents. Oh, what's up with Wolf? It's daily break. This RDAC is gearing up here. $66. False halt though. There it is. Whoa. What is that? We just market ordered bazillion shares here. That's a million shares.
Partial execution.
I am. I'll have a low day stop. I don't know what that was. How else do you fix it? Can you speak English, please? Somebody covered, maybe. XTLB moving up again over 4. How else do you fix it? Is that what you're saying? Are you talking about the leash cheese? Kind of a wild move there. Car moving back up. You're up $50 shaking and sweating. All right, well, if you're shaking and sweating, your size is too big. Let's start there, brother. You might want to scale back and just have a day stop loss that if you lose, you know, $25, which would be half your gains, you call it and you're green. Of course. Of course. Oh, thought there'd be some kind of news here or something. Nope. Nada. Boom, 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 boom. Keep looking at this PAPL like it's going to do something. Actually, it might. It's 5 minute. 69. Gee, me getting ass blasted. Oh, thank you, Ucar. Thank you for that. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted.
Execution.
Thank you for that, Ucar. Said junk.
Partial execution. Oh my God. Can I not? Whoa. What was that? Yep. GG, boys, we're cooked. Down $1,500. Just like that. 2 days gains gone. Boom. Not in the mood. Not in the mood.
am never going to financially recover from this.
Markets are puking.
Partial execution.
I don't know if this is gonna move on that or not.
Partial execution. Partial execution.
I don't even. Jeez, dude. Yep. I don't even know how that filled it where it did, but it did. So. Bardak. Oh my gosh, dude. Where's blue sky for this thing? 1643. I mean, it looks like it's going there, right? Boys, why didn't we pay attention to a stock from China called Rising Dragon? What is wrong with us? All right, low day. Sweet. We're cooked. AKAN, trying to go high day. Okay. SKYQ coming back up.
Hunger Games, Chickabow, 3 petals, loot me or fada.
Yeah, that's funny.
So 1 minute cuck really didn't do anything. Can I get some bid support? Nope. This is breaking out new all-time highs on this RDAC. Gosh. EEIQ. Yuck. TSGN. Sky Q, not sure what that candle was. BE, you gonna do it this time, bud? Gosh. It's an unstoppable force now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Disgusting. Yep, there it goes. Stupid mode. No problem, Battles. Glad I can make you a millionaire. $2. Oh my gosh.
such a pussy. I was about to take that. I'm such a pussy. Such a pussy. Wow. So halted up, gap down, selling off, showing 1320. Yikes. That was a nice little failed 5-minute. There you go. Let's go, bud.
Here's $2.50 for sauce packets.
Appreciate it, my man. I need it. Can't make money trading anymore. I'm washed. They're trying to put a bottom in here. Nokia 52-week highs. Oh my gosh, it's disgusting to see this thing where it's at right now.
Rejected.
Jeez. Nice move on SKYQ. Nice moves. I think we were looking at some levels on that. Yeah. We're to 733 now. But wants it. Big pivot there. Huh. Okay. Hmm. 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 That's a cut go on a 5 that failed.
Partial execution. Partial execution. Rejected.
5-minute cock. 5-minute cock into a 5-minute cock, back into a cock. Can I stop getting dick today? Mike Alfred. What is this thing? Okay. I miss it. Gosh. All right, I'm done with BE. I think, yeah, BE's two biggest losses for the day. I'm done with it. That's what drives me nuts about these. It's not a cuck, but this platform makes it look like it did. I gotta call him about that or chat with him today about that. See if there's a setting I'm missing. It changes based off of the bid and ask rather than price action. Intel 52. Jeez. Hey, that's a cuck. Sir. It's a rising supporter. Yeah. I don't know. I gotta find out. It's certainly not price action. I mean, it does move with price action as well, I should say, but it's not. But it does move by bid ask, which is really weird. Like, who does that? No one does that. deck, trying to move back up. Look at BE. I'm not touching it, but that piece of shit, man. Perfect example right here. There's no price that went through at this level, but it's saying they went candle over candle. Stupid. Now it goes through. No, it's the 5-2 I've noticed. It happened yesterday on a ticker. Nick was like, no, it didn't cock yet. And my chart showed that it did. Missed it. Too slow.
Rejected.
AAOI got a fun grant. Can't make money on this or no? We're just gonna watch AKA and just absolute juice while I'm in this thing. Getting nothing. Just get me out of that. Oh, that would have made my day. Glad I missed it. Glad I sat here and stalked it for an hour only to be deterred and distracted by a news play that made me $20.
Did I jump scare you?
God.
Yeah, I bet I did.
Really? Really, bitch? Oh my gosh. 100% gonna look at this 5-minute candle. 100% gonna crater. Yep.
Partial execution.
Wow! This is so frustrating, bro. Zenjock? You talking about Zenjock? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I freaking back up. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. People are saying that TOS won't let you trade AKAN. Is that true? Or is that because they haven't signed the agreement yet?
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Not true. Okay. Trapped in News 12 will not lift the naval blockade without a deal that includes the nuclear program. And here we go, High Day. Is plug gonna run? I don't know. Is that why it's moving? You think? I have no idea. There you go. High Day. I'd be a millionaire right now if I would have stayed in it. Look at that. Sold the bottom. It's amazing. Oh my god.
The king of dick.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do here as the retest, but I get stopped out because it just looks like the 5-minute was gonna look like a complete ass candle until I sold, and then it looked like an amazing candle. Oh my gosh, RDAC through 17. Wow. 2259. Oh, you're talking about this level here? Yeah. I was thinking this level was going to hold. It's 2290. For those that are still willing to trade BE, you do have a squeeze forming. 5-minute looks fantastic. 15-minute probably looks great too. And I'm not going to trade it. So you know, without a shadow of a doubt, you're going high a day now. So when you guys become millionaires, just remember me. You're in B. Looks great. Not going to trade it. So you know what? Just remember me. Remember me when you're a millionaire. So watch AKN juice $2 after my exit position. But that is disgusting. Disgusting. I'll throw up. NVIDIA US orders chip equipment companies to haul ship. Number 2 Jameer. So that was out Monday, right? RDAC going for it again. RDAC hitting 18. Must be nice to hit a juicer. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be sick. I wonder if I can short this thing. Another one that's building out a squeeze is NVIDIA on the 5-minute. This current 5 looks like ass now, but it is building out a 5-minute squeeze. I had one here, I really didn't do anything with it. Kind of just cooled off. Now it's building again. You got to think it's going to break to the top side with Intel just going insane, but who knows? Oh. Melting down. Whoa, market's saying poopy poopy here. What's up there? Okay, and then we're back. That. Okay. What are we doing? What's the headline? Trump rejects Iran's offer, says since letting you get a deal from Axios. Is that what moved it? This is old news already. Axios really, their headlines, even if they're late, move markets, man. Kegseth? Which U.S. Secretary of War, Pentagon will form a command for drone warfare? Oh my gosh, this PAPL. Hey, remember when this thing shook me out? Now it's going nuclear. OMG, bro. Wild. The market's grabbing that headline. English cheese. CENTCOM must pray for a short wave of strikes on Iran. Okay, that's the headline. Got it.
Partial execution.
If they don't act. Roger. Oh. Right. How is this not going lower? It's because I bought. That's exactly what it is. Bought puts. Apologize, everybody. Market will bounce now. Yep. It's amazing. Oh, nope. Didn't mean to do that. I meant to sell it all and I bought more. See? This is why I have not full margin engaged because of the shit. Shit like this. Might actually work out. Oil is completely cooking right now. I reversed myself. Uno reverse. Jeez.
Hello, SJ. This is Gram.
It's Peaches.
Giving you a pep talk for more yam yams. You can do this, my handsome grandson. You are so smart and handsome. Show that stock market who's your bitch.
Holy
Love,
shit.
Grams.
Crude is absolutely gas right now. There's no shot this market bounces with this move in crude. I see AKAN. I can't do anything about it. Buying BATL, some oil play maybe. Freaking love this. Failed cuck. Freaking love it. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. How? AKN, halt it up. Oh! How is there zero follow through on this market? Hard act. It's weird moves, man. It's just baffling. It really is. And I know as soon as I exit, I could close my eyes and hit the sell button just random time of day, it will reverse. Oh, that's 5-minute cock. That's my stop loss. GG's. All right, I sold here. Watch. Watch. That's the top. That's the top of the bounce. Wow. I cannot get a green trade for the life of me, man. I gotta hang it up soon. Look at this. 5 green trades. One of them is the only thing that was decent. The rest is like $50. Losses 880, 855, 700, 480, 400, 260, 160. Like, suck a dick on this day, man. Let's check in on the market reversal here. Yep, going to plan. All right. Oh, just missed that red to green. gosh, $30. One ping only. Jeez. I'm trading trash symbols like the spy, like BE. What are you talking about, Cam? My three biggest losers are large caps and an indice, an index, the spy. Into pussy. Did the spy have news? You must be just chiming in. Yes, there was news on the spy. Or on the market, I should say. I mean, regained the entire move. What is going on? I've noticed that, Nick. It's pretty nuts how consistent it's been. But I have the feeling like once that's a pattern, right? Once I do it that one time, then I do it, completely blows up in my face. Yeah. Down $3,500. Getting ass blasted today, boys. Had 2 good days and then ass blast day. You know. Every once in a while, the bull lets you beat you on the bottom, and then you're right back on the top, taking it up the ass.
Hey JPow, how are you? I take back all those things I said earlier.
I mean, look at this. Look where I bought on AK and sold. If I would have held 1 minute longer. That's my day. In a nutshell right there. Land of missed opportunity. So Jizza. It's freaking ominous. Who mentioned it? I think it was Trade Exchange, actually. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Sold right here. As soon as I sold, 4-cent jump. NXPI is out of my price range, coach. Thank you for that wonderful tune. Shut up, Waffle. I was like, oh, that's a failed 1 minute. Let me look at it. Nope. Saw me move my finger down to the buy button. So depressed. I'm so depressed. No, there's no Powell's message. Wow. Damn. Yeah, aka, and this is the third time it's kind of pierced the high day and didn't really run with it. The last time it pulled back, and this time it looks like it's pulled back too. Come on, really? Time to go see a guy about some things. Be back for the close. Good luck. Sounds sexual. I'm just kidding. Whoa. Another thing just popped into my mind. I'll DM you. No, I was wrong. Disregard. Nancy's quick. Necro wants a piece of the OnlyFans. Listen, Necro. It's high price stuff in there. What's a way to teach them? I mean, it's just pattern recognition. You got to find when the changes occur and whatnot. And then try the things that are working. And it's just pattern recognition. There's no like for instance, Clear Change has been in the news plays recently, right? Last year, they had all juice. This year, it's pop and then retrace 100%, if not more. So just recognizing that, and then don't trade it differently until, like, I'm not trading news plays really anymore unless it's really, really positive news until I see one pop off. Same goes with like low floats in general. They don't really go until one of them pops off. Candle over, like the candle over candle method, right? That's a momentum play to begin with, but sometimes it works great, 80-90% of the time. Other times you can almost guarantee it's going to fail. And we're in kind of one of those markets right now where the 1 minute hasn't been great unless there's been like a 1 minute cuck with it, something else to shore up that idea. It's just recognizing things like that. How many patterns do you say I know? I have no idea. Most of my trading revolves around continuation patterns and just formation, price compression, and expansion. It doesn't take a lot. You don't have to know like 50 things, right? Just get really good at 5. My prediction for Mag 4, they're probably going to increase CapEx. Yeah. That's true. There's no way any of these companies probably guessed what prices memory were going to be. And here we are. Apple Visual AI saying that how sentiment is hawkish in the Max 7 earnings are good, decent, anything the market will react. I feel like well, I think the Fed holds everything in their hands. No, I would never trade against the Fed. Now, I mean, if he whispers the word, are you kidding me, you car? If he whispers the word, like, raising rates, like, get out of here. You want to talk about a market about to throw up?
Partial execution.
Look at these fills. It was at 203. Okay. So distraught, man. What was that? XTLB. It's getting up here. It's a try-in.
Partial execution. Rejected. 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 Partial execution. Rejected.
Is it gonna juice? Dude, oil looks like it's about to explode. You made $8,000, Necronancy? You are a freaking animal. Is this sim or real? Paper money. Okay, I was like, wow. Still, congratulations. I'm wow. Wow. Market's throwing up now. I think I don't have those 709 puts anymore. I would hate to have made so much money. Wouldn't know what to do with it. Yeah, yeah. Sold juice. Cool. The short interest on BATL is 40%. Is that right? Is that what you all have? Wow. Some oil moves, insane. KY, this KYQ. Jeez, I don't even see how you drew that line. What are you looking at? I can't pull NQ. We know this already. No, I can't. Oh, in training view. Yeah. Well, then you're asking me to get rid of one of my screens. Big ask, brother. Salt, you're doing better than me, bro. If you have 1 penny green to your name, then you're doing better than my $3,500 red day. My only saving grace is if BATL decides to go stupid. That's it. That's all I got. BATL, go stupid for me. Maybe I got a shot. Your green 34 cents. Well done, Bogus. Hey, well done. That's how you make money in this market. You don't go red. That's how you do it. What is this? 77. Let's see. What? Jeez, I still don't see how you drew whatever you drew. Like, there's no... You're going to have to back that out. Back that picture out for me. Because I have no idea how you came up with whatever level that is. Is this a 15-minute chart? Well, I mean, what am I looking at? Mine looks nothing. It's got to be a different time frame that I'm working on here. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm looking at. 2 maybe. Yeah, I still don't see it. So depressed. I've done 1 minute chase. Still don't see what the hell how you even drew that. I think I see it. I mean, to draw it like this. I guess. Worked. Anna. Yeah, Anna's another one of those oil plays. It just needs one of them, one of these to take off. it's so crazy that we're sitting here at USO near 150, and these are still just kind of sideways from where they started, which is nuts. And they didn't even get a second move. So I mean, maybe the break of 150 on USO gets the headlines rolling and all that jazz. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. Ashley's cock is always right. Say it again for the people in the back, Necro. That's the kind of talk I need right now. F-Cell's turn to juice. Wow, look at the daily on F-Cell. The hell? I meant that, cheese. Suck a dick. I also meant that one. Buddha, I'm about to come wreck your party, brother. All right. Let's put this. Either Hungry is after right, or you get Yoda's banana. Well, I deserve Yoda's banana right now, so bring it. Bring it. It's not time for Hunger Games yet. It's not time.
Be afraid. You should not.
Yes! Give me Yoda!
I'll take care of you.
Come on, Yoda! Right here, Yoda! It's where I deserve it! Give it to me! Come on! Oh!
Banana.
Good. Good for you. Good for you.
Can't see. Yoda can't see.
One's in chat if you're aroused right now. One's in chat.
Be afraid. You should not. I'll take care of you. I will.
Go you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, Yoda. Yes, Daddy, give it to me. Give it to me, Yoda.
Banana.
Sorry. Ah! 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 Yes! What I deserve! Oh!
Yoda can't see.
Oh, yeah. Crying out loud. All right, first price here, 283. See if we can actually go high a day. You know, when USO is about to break 140. Ooh, I got that INDO. I forgot about that, Luke. Good call. How does this thing... Holy hell, man. All it takes is... Oh, this sold off a little bit. Get back over 380. All it's going to take is one of these things going nutty, and it's on. They all have pulled back to their original levels when oil started moving. AKAN, what a pop that was. Yeah, I know, right? Spy still acting like this is all gonna end soon, which it could, but I mean, it's just like you would think that after this insane move, you'd be somewhat of a pullback. Demand destruction fear? You think? Sky Q gonna go? Just rode MXL from the top all the way down. Jeez. Nice trade, Igloo. Freaking swing for the fences there, homie. Please go high a day. But really, I need the daily cock, which is 397. This is what I really need. That's our fun button, maybe. Maybe. This thing has been absolute trash anyway. Why stop now? Am I not streaming right now?